Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we will teach Dania how to count numbers with the help of blocks. Dania, are you ready?
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Yes, ready.
Okay, let's start. Dania, now you will make a 10 blocks building. Okay?
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 19,
17,
17, 19,
8,
18, 19,
20.
20.
Very good, Dania. Now we will learn reverse counting. Let's start. Are you ready, Dania?
Yes.
Okay. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we will learn addition and subtraction with the help of blocks. Let's start. Now 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. And now 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. And 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. Dania, did you understood?
Yes.
Okay. Now we will learn about subtraction. Let's start. 2 minus 1 is equals to 1. And 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. Now 5 minus 4 is equals to 1. Dania, did you understood?
Yes.
Okay. Now we will end this video here. So, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. For more informative video, please like, share and subscribe.
Assalamualaikum.